So we just held our RTI roundtable meeting, and during the meeting, one of the students that was discussed, we are moving from Tier 2 to Tier 1. So the student had been kept on Tier 2 for some reason and is now changed to Tier 1. So that's this student here. So the first thing I'm going to do is copy whatever notes were in there. Hopefully there's a lot more than what's in my example. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the log for the student. And if you notice, they're only Tier 2 for math or Tier 1 for English. So I'm going to come over to the log, create a log entry. This is going to be comment, observation, individual. This one is going to be teaching instructional, PLP. You can put all the subjects that were discussed. On this one, it doesn't matter as much since you're going from Tier 2 to Tier 1. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to check Tier 2, Tier 3, teacher facilitated. So then I want to scroll all the way down here to SST RTI. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to choose Other, and that student is being moved from Tier 2 Math to Tier 1 Math. So when I do this, I want to go to Tier 2 Math, and we're going to choose Exit. So I'll come down here, copy and paste all of the notes, anything that was discussed, why the student's being moved to Tier 1, and then save it. Once you complete the log information, you'll want to send the follow-up webmail letting them know that the student is no longer requiring interventions.